Hello, adventurers. Welcome to Explore the World, your trusty guide to all things travel. If the idea of journeying into the wide, wild yonder all by your lonesome excites you, then you've come to the right place. We're here to help you navigate the thrilling, sometimes challenging but always rewarding world of solo travel. But before we start, if you love traveling as much as we do, and you're eager for more tips, tricks, and travel hacks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It helps us to keep creating content that you love. Now grab your virtual passport, fasten your seatbelt, and let's dive into our ultimate guide to globetrotting alone. Ever thought about traveling the world alone? How exhilarating, adventurous, and liberating that could be. Imagine yourself stepping into the unknown, exploring new cultures, and meeting fascinating people along the way. This is the magic of solo travel, an experience that can truly transform you. It's about discovering not just new places, but also new aspects of yourself. The world is a book, and those who don't travel read only one page. So stay tuned as we uncover 50 unique tips to make your solo travel experience unforgettable. A great journey begins with meticulous planning. Let's dive into some tips on how to plan your solo trip. First off, let's talk about research. You should know your destination like the back of your hand before you set foot there. Research the culture, the local customs, the food, and the language. This will not only help you blend in, but also avoid any cultural faux pas. Next, create a flexible itinerary. While it's essential to have a plan, don't make it too rigid. Leave some room for spontaneity. You never know what hidden gems you might stumble upon while exploring. Third, book your flights and accommodations in advance. This not only secures your travel arrangements, but also often provides you with the best deals. However, keep an eye out for flexible booking options. In these uncertain times, it's always wise to have a backup plan. Fourth, consider travel insurance. It might seem like an unnecessary expense, but it can be a lifesaver in case of medical emergencies or unexpected cancellations. Fifth, learn some local phrases. While English is widely spoken, knowing a few local phrases can go a long way. It's a sign of respect towards the local culture and could even lead to some special local experiences. Sixth, prepare for the unexpected. Keep emergency contacts handy, know where the nearest embassy or consulate is, and have a basic first aid kit. Seventh, pack smart. We'll dive deeper into this in our next scene, but remember, when traveling solo, less is often more. Eighth, register with your embassy. This provides an extra layer of security, keeping you informed about any potential risks or issues in your destination country. Ninth, budget wisely. Keep track of your expenses and have a daily budget. It's easy to get carried away while traveling, but remember, financial discipline is key. Lastly, stay connected. Keep your loved ones informed about your whereabouts and plans. It's not just about security, it's also about sharing your amazing experiences. Remember, a well-planned journey can save you from many unexpected troubles. Packing can be a puzzle, but when you're traveling solo, packing smart is a must. The first rule of thumb is to pack light and versatile clothing. Choose pieces that can be mixed and matched, and that are suitable for different weather conditions. Next, focus on essential gadgets. A universal adapter, a portable charger, and a reliable smartphone are your best friends on the road. Don't forget about health essentials. Pack necessary medications, a mini first aid kit, and personal hygiene items. Travel-sized toiletries are a space saver. Remember, the goal is to pack everything you need into a carry-on. This not only saves you from lugging around a hefty suitcase, but also keeps your belongings secure and within reach. Consider investing in travel-friendly gear like packing cubes and compression bags. They help to organize your items and save space. Lastly, always leave a bit of room for souvenirs or unexpected purchases. Packing smart means being prepared for any situation without being weighed down. Hey adventurers, we're halfway through this guide, and if you're enjoying it, don't forget to subscribe to Explore the World for more travel tips and tricks. We're constantly updating our channel with fresh content, and subscribing ensures you never miss a beat. If you found our tips helpful, show your support by giving this video a thumbs up. We always love hearing from our community, so feel free to share your own travel hacks in the comments section. And if you think this guide could help a fellow solo traveler, be sure to share the video with them. Now, let's continue with our ultimate guide to globetrotting alone. Buckle up, because next, we're tackling emergency preparedness. Before we dive into the journey, there's one more thing we need to tackle: preparing for emergencies. As a solo traveler, you need to have a safety net. First, ensure you have travel insurance. This can cover anything from lost luggage to medical emergencies. Next, make a list of emergency contacts. This should include the local embassy, the nearest hospital, and a trusted person back home. Keep this list both in your phone and in a physical form, just in case. It's also a good idea to familiarize yourself with basic emergency phrases in the local language. "I need help," "Call the police," and "Where is the hospital?" are good starters. Don't forget to have a backup of essential travel documents like your passport, visa, and tickets. Store them in a separate place from the originals. A digital copy emailed to yourself can also be a lifesaver. Lastly, keep a small emergency kit handy. This can include a whistle, a flashlight, and a local map. It's not about expecting the worst, but about being prepared for any situation. So equip yourself with these safety measures and step out with confidence. Now that you're all set and on your way, here are some tips to keep in mind during your journey. Firstly, remember to stay flexible with your plans. While it's good to have an itinerary, some of the best experiences can come from unexpected detours. So if a local recommends a hidden gem, or if the weather takes a turn for the worse, don't be afraid to change your plans. Secondly, respecting the local culture is crucial. Take the time to learn about the customs and traditions of the place you're visiting. This will not only help you blend in, but it will also enrich your travel experience. Thirdly, it's important to stay connected with your family and friends back home. Let them know where you are and what you're up to. This serves a dual purpose. It gives them a chance to live vicariously through your adventures, and it also ensures someone always knows your whereabouts, just in case. Our fourth tip is about personal safety. Always be aware of your surroundings, especially in unfamiliar places. Keep your belongings secure and avoid risky situations. Trust your instincts. If something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. Moving on to the fifth tip, try to learn a bit of the local language. Even if it's just a few phrases, it can make a world of difference. It can help you navigate through the city, interact with locals, and even get better deals at markets. For our sixth tip, remember to stay hydrated and eat well. Traveling can be exhausting, and you need to fuel your body to keep up with the pace. Try local cuisines, but also make sure you're getting the nutrients you need. Seventh on our list is to keep a travel journal. Documenting your experiences can be therapeutic, and it will also serve as a wonderful keepsake to look back on in the future. Eighth, remember to take breaks. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of travel, but rest is important too. Ninth, don't forget to capture memories. Photos, videos, postcards. These will be your tangible reminders of the journey. And finally, our 10th tip is to live in the moment. You're on an adventure, so take the time to soak it all in. Embrace the journey, be open to new experiences, but always stay safe. Traveling solo is about more than just seeing new places. It's about immersing yourself in the experience. To truly make the most out of your solo trip, here are 10 tips that can transform your journey from good to extraordinary. Firstly, dare to try the local cuisine. Food is a universal language that tells the story of a place and its people. Whether it's spicy street food or a 5-star gourmet meal, let your taste buds explore the flavors of your destination. Secondly, learn a few local phrases. A simple hello or thank you in the local language can go a long way in breaking the ice and showing respect for the culture. You'd be surprised at the smiles it can earn you. Thirdly, make new friends. Engage with locals and fellow travelers. Their unique perspectives can enrich your travel experience and create lifelong memories. Fourthly, keep a travel journal. Document your thoughts, experiences, and the people you meet. It's a wonderful way to reflect on your journey and preserve the memories. Fifthly, embrace spontaneity. While it's good to have a plan, don't be afraid to stray from it. You never know what adventures might be waiting for you off the beaten path. Sixthly, indulge in local events and festivals. They offer a fantastic insight into the traditions and lifestyle of the place. Seventhly, take lots of photos, but also take time to simply soak in the moment. Remember, you're experiencing the world through your senses, not just through a camera lens. Eighthly, take care of yourself. Stay hydrated, eat well, and get sufficient rest. Your health is key to enjoying your journey. Ninthly, respect the environment. Be a responsible traveler. Leave only footprints and take only memories, and finally, be open to personal growth. Every journey offers lessons, experiences, and opportunities that can shape you. Embrace them. Your solo trip is a journey of self-discovery. Make it count. The journey might be over, but the experience isn't. Now that you're back home, why not start by sorting through those countless photos? Picking out the best shots and creating a photo album can be a great way to relive those exciting moments. Next, sharing your experiences with friends and family is a wonderful way to keep the trip alive. You'll be surprised how your stories can inspire others to embark on their own adventures. Take some time to reflect on your journey. What was your favorite moment? What would you do differently next time? Reflecting on these questions can provide valuable insights for your future travels. Speaking of future travels, why not start planning your next trip? There's a whole world out there waiting to be explored. Lastly, don't forget to review and rate the places you visited. Your feedback can help future travelers make informed decisions. Your solo trip may end, but its memories will last a lifetime. So, are you ready to embark on your solo travel adventure? Let's take a moment and recapture the essence of everything we've covered. We started with planning your journey. Remember, meticulous planning is key. It's your roadmap to a joyous solo travel experience. We're talking about researching your destination, understanding the culture, and being prepared for the unexpected. Then we moved on to packing smart. Remember, less is more. The lighter you travel, the more freedom you'll have to explore and immerse yourself in the local culture. And don't forget those essential items like travel adapters, a good book, and of course, your enthusiasm. During the journey, we emphasize the importance of staying flexible, embracing the local culture, and stepping out of your comfort zone. After all, it's the unexpected experiences that often turn out to be the most memorable. We also talked about making the most of your solo trip. The beauty of solo travel lies in its freedom and self-discovery. Use this opportunity to learn more about yourself, meet new people, and create unforgettable memories. Lastly, we touched on the post-trip phase. Cherish these memories, share your experiences, and let the spirit of wanderlust inspire your future journeys. Solo travel can be a rewarding experience, filled with new discoveries, self-growth, and unforgettable moments. So why wait? Remember, the world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. So pack your bags and start your solo journey.